mixer machines in the market, but this is really revolutionary.
It is.
Model, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why? Well, it's compact. Yeah, it's compact. That's all the space you need. Very compact. And let's open it.
It's super light.
Yeah. This is the big difference. It's made of resin, so it's definitely light. We do get a lot of lady chefs in the kitchen these days, and even for them, even for me, it's very light to lift.
Yeah.
So it's easy to clean.
There has been, over the years, for the last 20 years, there has been a lot of different types of Shari mixers on the market. A lot of them have Teflon.
Yeah, Teflon and metal mixing drum. Very heavy.
It's heavy.
Awkward to take the rice out, and then
very hard to clean.
Very
hard to clean.
So this shape, this weight is absolutely great for easy cleaning and everything.
We actually we set up a lot of obviously restaurants with this one in particular, but also factories. Believe it or not, but if you want a good quality Shari, well, this is a great machine to do. So it really takes care of the rice. It takes it like a baby.
Exactly. And in the past machines, they all have different technologies to mix the rice.
Yeah.
Some of them would just be like tumble dryer, goes round and round and round, and that is not really good.
Exactly.
So this one was developed so that it really cradles. Yeah. So it's so gentle for the rice. And as you can see, you've got the control panel here. You can have 4 programs depending on how much mixing you want to have or how much volume of rice you're doing.
Yeah.
Because it can mix a lot of rice, can't we?
Yeah, you
from
can
a small amount.
Up till I think 13 or 14 kilos.
Cooked rice,
cooked rice.
Yeah. And then once it's all set in a particularly big kitchen where different people would be using this machine, you can lock the settings so that so everybody would be doing the same thing. So it's a really great user-friendly stuff.
Well, Kyoko, now we're going to actually put some rice in it. So I'm going to call Dylan.
Yeah. Okay.
I gotta go rice for your help.
Right, see you later.
See you later. Okay. Good. Dylan-san, if you want to come over. Okay, so this is Dylan from the sushi school as well, and Dylan helps us with all the installation bits and the training and so on for the chefs. Obviously, you've used that machine 100 times.
A lot, yeah.
So, well, we're gonna get some Shari, put it in, and then let's show us what's in there. If you want to take it.
For you, sir. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey, how long will the voice ends?
33 minutes.
Nice.
Private markets. Many just ride the wave. But we see a better way. With your dedicated advisor, we start with you. Understanding you. Crafting a plan that is uniquely you. Tailoring solutions across private markets. We make private markets work for you. Private wealth redefined.
Basically, usually you come and mix your rice. And in restaurants, what they do most of the time is they've got big white plastic containers. They put a lot of rice in it, and they come and they mix the rice literally. By doing that, they don't cool down the rice, and also they break the rice. Then the rice is left to sit for an hour and a half to actually get down in temperature. This is terrible for your rice. This is the best way, because you put the rice, you add your vinegar, go ahead, chop,
They put it all over, huh? Yeah.
Perfect. And then you just close the lid. That's all you have to do, and press start. The machine has got like a cradle pattern, so it's like a baby. It's taking care of each grain of rice like a baby. It doesn't go all around, so the rice doesn't fall and break. It really takes good care of the rice. At the beginning, all the vinegar comes into the rice, and because this machine will blow the air in, it will allow the moisture of the water to go away and leave the vinegar to actually go inside of each grain of rice. And this is the part that's the most important. In sushi restaurants, if sometimes, people fall sick or get sick, it's because most of the time of the rice not being mixed properly. This will do an incredible job at mixing your rice.
And keeping a very good pH.
And keeping the good pH, obviously. So as you know...
3.9 and 4.1.
That's right. So here we've put 3 kilos of rice. And how much vinegar did you put?
We put 750 milliliters.
Okay, so 750 mils for 3 kilos of raw rice will give you a pH between 3.9 and 4.1. You don't want to go above 4.1, then that's when the bacteria can actually develop.
Yeah.
Right now, it's gonna start kicking in, and you're gonna hear the machine blowing the air inside. This process, the whole process for 3 kilos will take about 5-6 minutes. You finish, it will take about 6 minutes, and at the end of it, the rice will fall automatically in the box. Now, one thing, important thing, you saw, Dylan, we'll wait for it to finish. Get me the rice cooker, please. Just open it. Fine, leave it like that. You saw Dylan taking this. This is very hot. It's a bit hard to move the rice. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can use a rice net to cook your rice. And then it's just a matter of taking the rice out and emptying it with this. This is really useful too, to use in conjunction with the machine. So if you don't want to burn your hands taking the rice from the rice cooker, use the rice net, it's much easier. Now, the machine here displays how many seconds there are left before the rice actually drops in the box. So I think we should now put a break on and join you in 280 seconds. So that's it. So you saw the rice coming down straight away in the Shari box. Look around, no rice whatsoever. So you do not need to touch the machine for the rice to come down, which is
Really good, no cross-contamination. Hygiene, talking hygiene is the best you can get. Really.
it is really, really good. But the best thing is this. Open it. We've just used it. Take it, well, you can take it on your own. And this is what's left in the machine after basically doing the Shari. So you can see that cleaning wise, there is, well, nothing to do. So in comparison to older models of machines with Teflon, it is extremely easy to clean. Do you want to show quickly what needs to be cleaned, please?
So for the cleaning this machine, really easy. You can by taking off the lid, so clean inside and the outside.
That you clean whenever it's dirty. You don't clean on it out.
So wash this. You can use this with. You can wash this with soap.
Yeah.
As well as the interior of your mixing drum. So the mixing drum, as you saw earlier on, you can take out. It's really, really light.
It's very light.
It can be done on your own. No
with
problem.
one hand, look.
And excuse me, Manu.
Sorry?
Just so you know. Always clean, really good in here because there's a sensor and in here.
That's right.
Yeah.
So just keep the machine clean overall, and that's it. In 6 minutes, you've got an amazing Shari ready to use at the right temperature, and that falls straight away in the Shari box. Now, I hope we have answered all your questions regarding the ASM780. This is the big version. It also comes as a tabletop version which sits on the desk, basically.
Really handy.
Very handy, and this mixes up to 13 kilos of rice in one go. So if you've got big batches of rice, you can also use that to actually make your Shari.
Yeah.
Good! Cool, well, we hope we enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please come to us, give us a call, go and visit the website or drop us an email. We're happy to help, okay?
Happy rice making.
Happy rice making!
Bye bye.
Bye bye!